Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. These Trader Joe's milk chocolate peanut butter pretzels are addictive. I love them. Let me show you why. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I have dipped pretzels in peanut butter before, but now I no longer will feel shame because these come already dipped. So what I love about these is the peanut butter is inside the pretzel and coated in a delicious milk chocolate. You get all the flavors here. You get salty, sweet, crispy, crunchy, all the good stuff. And this bag is fully addictive. I love how they actually have the size on the bag. So many times I've bought something and the size was completely not what I thought it was. But Trader Joe's here have this on the packaging and it is perfect. So guys, these are seriously delicious. Really delicious. I'm sure you'll love them too. If you love pretzels, peanut butter, and milk chocolate, this is a win. I love it. I think you will too, but that's just my point of view.